Let's see how to install Visual Studio Code on a Mac. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks! First, go to Google and search for Visual Studio Code download. Click on the official link. Then click on the Mac version. The download will start automatically. Once downloaded, unzip the zip file. Right-click in Finder and open a new Finder window. Now drag the VS Code app into the Applications folder to install it. Go to Applications and open Visual Studio Code. Click on Extensions and install the following. Next, click here and type the following command. Click on Uninstall. Now type the same command again, but this time click on Install. Click OK and enter your Mac password if required. Go back to the Extensions tab and download all the ones you need for your programming language. For example, if you're using Python, install this one. If you're using C++, install this one. Same for Java or any other language you plan to use. To open or create a project, click on File and choose the appropriate option. That's it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe.